The mayhem has officially started. We have secured the truck. There it is. There's the truck. This is a big truck. How's it feel, Vic? I feel very manly. Okay. She's driving. It's gonna be a trip. She looks like a little old lady behind it. She's a little short. We may need to get her a pillow when we get to Diane's house. She looks a little afraid. I feel bad. Okay, Vikki and I switched because we're going to Diane's house and I'm gonna pull this in backwards. I'm gonna back it in, not pull it in backwards. And so we decided that would probably be something that I might be better at than Vic. So we switched. It is a little janky, this truck. I'm going to show you when we get there. It is dirty. So we're going to clean it in the driveway before we leave. Make it a little bit more livable because it's gross. It's okay. The brakes seem very good. And, you know, we're just not going to go super fast. So those are my initial thoughts. We'll see what Vic's thoughts are when we get there. Vikki cannot be a pretty passenger princess in a dirty, dirty, dirty truck.
Exactly.
And it is dirty. We are not exaggerating.
I'm not exaggerating. I'm not that much of a princess. It's pretty gross.
It's pretty gross. So Vic is cleaning. I believe it is from Oklahoma. Oh, Oklahoma, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain. Is it from Oklahoma?